This is it. Finally finished my project. It took me a while, but I kept at it, working in my off hours, working on my weekends. I finally got everything done. When I got home from work, I decided to put my back tires on. I'd already put my step on. What I did first is, because I didn't have my loader on, I slid the mower deck underneath before I put the tires on. It makes it a little easier. I guess the next thing I'll do, I still haven't put the rivets into the matting, and I'll do that in maybe tomorrow when I clean the tractor up. I got to get that dirt off. But I put me a Kubota wheel turner. Man, that thing, that's the first time I used that, and man, it's like having power steering on steroids. If you don't have one, you might want to try it out. I don't know what the price is. I'll look that up and include it in my parts list for this project. And I got it at Messick's, and just really pleased with the service at the parts counter. They really took care of me there, and thank you, ladies. Thank you, Diane, I think, Wendy, Chad at the Rittner Highway Kubota dealer. You really did help me out and got me the right parts that I need and answered my questions. You've been a great asset to me getting this project done. So thank you all very much. And I'll hashtag Messick's in here. Hope I got the names right. I apologize if I didn't. That's interesting. Oh, I know what they were doing. I get a lot of deer here. I even scared one up while I was mowing tonight, and some guy went around this turn with his engine off, and I think what he was trying to do was sneak on the deer, come around the turn and see the deer in the field. And of course I was standing here. Sometimes they're right here in my yard, in my front yard, and I come home here the other night and there was between 10 and 20 deer in my front and backyard combined. It was well, my grass was long, and I think they were enjoying the smorgasbord. So, all right, I'm getting off topic, and I'm gonna get this in the garage, and you know, in the next day or two, I'll be able to put my car back in the garage when I get my stuff cleaned up in there. So, looking forward to putting the car back in the stable. So, all right, thank you for watching, and I'll put this together. Hey, there's some deer back there. Let's see, can I zoom? Can you see them back there? There was two of them. There he goes. There they are, standing there looking at me. There they go. There's another one coming out. That's a big boy right there. Wow. Might be a mama. Those might be her babies. Yeah, that's the babies, and that's Big Mama. She always has two kids, two fawns. Yeah, that spooked them. Big Mama back there. There's the hoot owl. Oh, look at them coming out. This might be the whole herd. I cut the grass back there. They might be a little disappointed. You know. Let's see if I can get any closer. There'll be a whole bunch of them come out of there. I'm kind of close to that one right there that lifted its head. That's a little one, about a year old. Wonder if there's more coming. They like to come over here around this time, and now right now they like to eat and drink in this mud hole, but it's pretty dry right now. But when it's got water in it, they will come over here and drink out of that mud hole. And they'll come right out there. There's a trail that comes through there, multiple trails actually. And